Modal verbs are not easy, but today I'll show you how to use them with complete confidence. Hello and welcome to English with Raza. In today's lesson, we're studying 8 important modal verbs: can, could, may, might, should, must, will, and would. This video is divided into 2 parts, and both are essential. Part 1, I'll explain every modal verb and all its main uses. Part 2, we'll compare them to understand their power levels, because not all modal verbs have the same strength or certainty. What is a modal verb? A modal verb is a helping verb. It works with another verb to show ability, possibility, permission, or obligation. For example, ability. She can swim. Can shows ability. The main verb is swim. Possibility. He might come to the party. Permission. May I leave? Obligation. You must wear a seatbelt. Modal verb 1, can. Can has 6 common uses. Ability. She can ride a bicycle. She knows how. Negative. I can't ride a bicycle. Permission. You can use my car. I'm giving you permission. Possibility. This road can be dangerous at night. Request. Can you help me with my homework? Polite, but still casual. Offer. Can I get you something to drink? Prohibition. Negative. You can't smoke here. Modal verb 2. Could has 5 uses. Polite request. Could you pass the salt? More polite than can. Suggestion. You could wear your pink suit. Past ability. When I was a kid, I could climb trees. Modal verb 3. May. May has 3 main uses. Permission. May I go to the restroom? Possibility. She may come to the party tonight. Wish or hope. May you live a long and happy life. Like, may the force be with you. Shh. Modal verb 4. Might. Might is used for possibility. It might rain tomorrow. Bring an umbrella. Suggestion. You might want to try updating your software. Modal verb 5. Should. Should is super useful. Advice. You should see a doctor. Expectation. We should arrive in about 30 minutes. Modal verb 6. Must. Must has 3 uses. Obligation. You must wear a seatbelt during takeoff. Deduction. It must be fake. You're quite sure. Prohibition. You must not touch the paintings. Modal verb 7. Will. Will has 5 uses. Future action. I will call you later. Promise. I will always love you. We'll see. Offer. I will help you with that. Prediction. She will win the competition. Spontaneous decision. Someone's at the door. I'll get it. Modal verb 8. Would. Would has 6 main uses. Polite offer. Would you like a cupcake? Polite request. Would you mind closing the door? Past habit. When we were kids, we would play outside every day. Unreal conditional. If I were you, I would buy it. Future in the past. He thought he would finish the project earlier. Reported speech. She said she would dye her hair pink. Part 2. Grouping modal verbs by purpose. To simplify, let's group them by function. Possibility, permission, advice, request. 1. Possibility. Sentence. My city be dangerous at night. You can say, can, nearly 80% sure. Could, 60%. May, 50%. Might, 30%. So, the more certain you are, the stronger the modal verb. 2. Permission. Sentence. I eat the last piece of cake? You can say, can I, 40% polite? Could I, 60%? May I, 70%? Would you mind if I, 80%? Might I, 90%? Very formal, rare. 3. Giving advice. Sentence. She looks cold. Wear a coat. Possible answers. Could, 40%. May want to, 50%. Might want to, 60%. Should, 80%. Must, 100%. Will you give me a ride to the airport? Possible. Can you? 40%. Will you? 60%. Could you? 70%. Would you? Summary. Use can, could, may, might for possibility. Use can, could, may, would for permission. Use should, must, could, might for advice. Use can, could, will, would for requests. Outro. Modal verbs can be confusing, but when you understand their levels of certainty and politeness, everything becomes clear. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to English with Ali Raza for more easy English lessons every week. Would you be kind enough to hit that subscribe button? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.